In this video, I'm going to show you how to appear offline on Messenger even when you're online. First, open Messenger. Here you want to tap on the three horizontal line at the top left corner of your screen. And under here, you're going to see beside your name the settings gear. Tap on this and then scroll down to profile. You'll find active status, which is the green dots that shows whenever you are online on Facebook or on Messenger. Tap on this and you see show when you're active. Now keep in mind that if you turn this off, you won't also be able to see other people's activity status. You'll be giving up that to appear offline on Messenger. Toggle off on this to pause active status. You can select within the options here, but I'm going to leave it until I change it. Tap on pause and this will pause your active status. So that's how you can appear offline on Messenger even when you're online. Thank you for watching this video and I hope you found this video helpful. If you do find this video helpful, like and subscribe. I hope to see you guys in my next video.